Hi guys, welcome to my channel Java Trends. For latest update in every weeks, like and subscribe my channel.
So our next question is, so what is inheritance? Okay, so this one is the most important oops feature that many times interviewer also asks that what is inheritance like this. So now we come back to the point. Inheritance gives the facility of code reusability in which we can access all the data from parent class to child class. If interviewer asks that what is inheritance, then you can say that inheritance gives the facility of code reusability in which we can access all the data from parent class to child class. Okay, so how can we reuse? What is reuse? So what is reuse? Okay, so reuse, it means something we make once and use it multiple times, so that is called reusability. Okay, so inheritance gives the facility of code reusability. We use the code again and again, so that is called code reusability. Inheritance gives the feature of code reusability. So in by using code reusability, we can access all the data from parent class to child class. Okay, what we access? We access all the data. You can see this one. We can access all the data from parent class to child class. Okay, means completely the old data we can access, the old data whatever we make, so we can access all the data from parent one to child one. Okay, so like take an example, like suppose I am creating the test class. Okay, and I declare one member variable and one method. So in I again create a child class, and by using the extend keyword we achieve the inheritance. So we can now I am and now I able to access all the data from parent class to child class. Okay, so that is called inheritance. That is inheritance. So now we come back to this line. Every class in Java is child class of object either directly or indirectly. Due to this, object class acts as root for all Java class. Okay. So you know that the object class acts as root for all Java class. It means the object class is the base class. Okay, and whatever the class we create is a child class. So and anytime interviewer asks that which one is the root class in Java, so you can say that object class acts as root class of Java. So whatever the class we create, it is child class. Okay, every because it is whatever because the object class acts as root class, that's why whatever we create in we create class is child class. So that is mentioned here. Every class in Java is a child class. Okay, child class of object either directly or indirectly. Due to this this object class acts as root for all Java class. Okay, so now we come back to the practical session for better clarification. So this one is the example of inheritance. This class is employee class, which have only one variable salary, whose value is 40,000. And this one is the second class, class programmer, and which have only one variable, a bonus, whose value is 10,000. Okay, so in Java, how can we achieve inheritance? We can achieve inheritance by using this extend keyword. Okay, so I am using this extend keyword, and after using extends I am using the employee. So extends employee. So after using this one, now I am able to access all the data from employee class to programmer class. Okay, so in the employee class I have one variable, and in the programmer class also I have one variable. Okay, so now I am creating object of this programmer class, and now I am printing this both the variable value. Okay, so if I run this program, so what I get the both the values, both class values. Okay, this salary values also, and this bonus value also. So see this one is the programmer salary is 40,000 and bonus of programmer is 10,000. So both the values we got as a output, 40,000 and 10,000. Okay, so how can we get this first class value? By using the by using the extend keyword, by using inheritance. Okay, if I remove this one, see this one, if suppose I remove this one. Okay, so now I am removing this one, and after saving that, so see this one, I am getting the error that I can't access this salary. Okay, see this one, I am getting error that I can't access this salary. Okay, because I am not extend that class. So if I extend that class, so now I am able to use that class. Okay, so I am reusing that one. So extends employee. Okay, so after using this error is gone. Okay, so this one is by using this extend employee we can achieve by using extend we can achieve inheritance. Okay, so I think now we got clarification on inheritance.